I wanted to tell you a little bit about keeping things clean. And by that, I mean not only your tools, but how to clean the face as well. So the tools, it's very important to keep these clean because bacteria can get into them. And you can do this two ways. First of all, you can wash it with a mild cleanser, a shampoo, or some kind of mild liquid soap, and make sure you get all of the makeup out of it. And then make sure that it dries upright, like this, so that they stay nice and full, not that they're laying down or even worse like this, because then you'll ruin the brush and it won't be functionable anymore. So make sure you dry it this way. And there's also commercial cleaners that you can use as well that work well as well. And then also in keeping the face clean, I like to keep on hand baby wipes, and there's also commercial makeup removers. And it's very important to make sure that you use a makeup remover for eyes that is especially formulated for eyes, because it has kind of a lot more oils in those eye makeups, and so a commercial eye makeup remover works really well for the eyes. But for the face, those baby wipes work great, but you can also use a commercial cleaner as well.